Good morning, friends. I am M. Hari Prasad, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College, Siddipet. So we are discussing income tax subject. In part of income tax, we are discussing income from salary. So basically, we discussed that. Income tax salaries are classified into four different heads: salaries, allowances, perquisites, profit in lieu of salaries. Clubbing of these four heads is known as gross salary. From that gross salary, two deductions will be there: section 16.2 and section 16.3. After deducting those two deductions, net salary or taxable salary will be calculated. So out of these things, we discussed about salaries. What is salary? What is meant by salary? What comes in salary? After that, we discussed about allowances. Allowance also, what is meaning of allowances? How many types of allowances are there? Fully taxable, fully exempted, and partially taxable, etc. After that, we started perquisites. Perquisite means a facility provided by the employer to the employee in form of thing, sometimes in form of cash also, generally in form of things is known as perquisites. Out of that, very first one is rent-free accommodation. So what is rent-free accommodation? If house is provided by the employer to the employee for employee's residence is known as rent-free accommodation. So to calculate rent, in earlier classes we discussed that to calculate rent-free accommodation, employees are two types. First one, government employees and private employees. Rent-free accommodation, rent-free accommodation. So to calculate this rent-free accommodation, employees are two types: government and private. So we discussed about government already. For government employees, we discussed it. So what about government employees? For government employees, rent decided by the government will be treated as purchased value. Only house rent decided by the government. Plus, if there is any furniture, we have to add furniture value also. In case of private employees. For private employees, again, two types. Own house, rented house. Own house and rented house. అంటే ఎంప్లాయర్ మే గివ్ టు హిజ్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఓన్ హౌస్. ఆయన సొంత క్వార్టర్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదా రెంట్కి తీసుకొని సిద్దిపేటలో కొత్తగా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అయింది, ఇక్కడికి గవర్నమెంట్ క్వార్టర్స్ కలెక్టర్ బంగ్లా కావాలి, రెంట్ తీసుకొని ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అదే రెంటెడ్ హౌస్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఓన్ హౌస్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్ హౌస్, ఒకవేళ ఓన్ హౌస్ అయితే, సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ పాపులేషన్ we have to do. How to calculate based on population? So if population is below 10 lakhs, if the population is in between 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs, if population is above 25 lakhs. Population below 10 lakhs. If population is below 10 lakhs, the value of percentage is 7.5% of salary plus furniture if there is any. Means population is below 10 lakhs. 10 lakh అంటే ఆ ఏరియాలో ఎక్కడైతే హౌస్ అకామిడేషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందో ఆ ఏరియాలో పాపులేషన్ 10 lakhs కనుక అకౌంట్ తీసుకోవాలి. 7.5% ఆఫ్ సాలరీలో 7.5% తీసుకోవాలి. ప్లస్ ఫర్నిచర్ ఉంటే ఓన్ ఫర్నిచర్ అయితే 10% ఆఫ్ ఫర్నిచర్ వాల్యూ, రెంటెడ్ ఫర్నిచర్ అయితే రెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫర్నిచర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్. సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ పాపులేషన్ in between 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. పాపులేషన్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. పాపులేషన్ 10 లక్షలకు 25 లక్షలకు మధ్య ఉన్నట్టయితే దెన్ 10% ఆఫ్ శాలరీ ప్లస్ ఫర్నిచర్. Ten percent of salary plus furniture. If population is above 25 lakhs. If population is above 25 lakhs, then the value of per capita is 15% of salary plus furniture. Right? So salary base చేసుకొని ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. If it is own house, if it is rented house only one thing, ఏంటి, rent paid by employer or 15% of salary, whichever is lowest, plus furniture. Right? So this is the method of calculation of rent-free accommodation for private employees. If he is private employee, then we should observe whether employer provided own house or whether employer provided rented house. If employer provided own house, then we have to go for population. If population of that particular town or city or area is below 10 lakhs, then we have to take 7.5% of salary as perquisite. In addition to that, if furniture also provided, we have to take 10% of the furniture value or rent of furniture value. If population of that particular city or area is in between 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs, then the perquisite value is equal to 10% of salary plus furniture, 10% of furniture value or rent of furniture. If population is above 25 lakhs, then the value of perquisite is equal to 15% of salary plus furniture, 10% of furniture or rent of furniture. So this is here 7.5% of salary, 10% of salary, 15% of salary we are discussing. There also we discussed 15% of salary. If the rented house is given, rent paid by the employer or 15% of salary, whichever is lowest plus furniture value. So here 7.5%, 10%, 15% we are discussing. So here salary means what comes under salary. So definition of salary changes from place to place. When we are calculating entertainment allowance, salary means only basic pay. When we are calculating house rent allowance, salary means basic pay plus DA with retirement benefits. When we are calculating rent-free accommodation, then what comes under salary? Yes, salary is equal to basic pay plus DP. What is meaning of DP? Dearness payment means DA with retirement benefits plus all taxable allowances. All taxable allowances. Total of these three will be considered as salary. On that amount we have to calculate 7.5% here, 10% here, 15% here, here also 15%. Right? So this is the method of calculation of rent-free accommodation value for private employees, and this calculated amount or So amount will be transferred to main table under the head of perquisites. Okay, right, as rent-free accommodation. So how to compute? Let us know. So first step, very step. When problem is given, we have to observe rent-free accommodation is there or not. If rent-free accommodation is there, then we have to find second point. First point is if rent-free accommodation is there or not. Unte no, lekunte no problem. Unte undi, right. Second point we have to do if rent-free accommodation is there. Government, if he government employee, private employee, right? If he is government employee, we have to go in last class method. For government employees, rent decided by the government, right? Then if it is he is not government employee, then private employee. For private employees, if own house is given or rented house given. If own house is given, we have to go this method. If rented house is given, we have to go this method. This is the method of calculation of rent-free accommodation for private employees. Let us do one or two examples. Basic, any minutes in? 11 minutes in that? Yes. Okay. Let us do one example. So, Ravi is working in a limited company. Ravi is working in a limited company. Salary particulars. Salary particulars. Basic pay 10,000 per month. DA 6,000 per month. CCA 2,000 per month. EA means entertainment allowance 500 per month. Employer provided rent-free accommodation in a city where population is 12 lakhs. Where population is 12 lakhs. Calculate perquisite value. Right. So Ravi is working in a limited company. Salary particulars are given, basic pay given, DA given, CCA, city compensatory allowance given, entertainment allowance given, employer means boss provided rent-free accommodation ichirata in a city where population is 12 lakhs. He asked to calculate per visit value. So first rent-free accommodation on word undagane first we have to observe whether he is government employee, private employee. Limited company means private employee. Right? If he is private employee, then we have to observe whether own house is provided or rented house provided. There is no any information about rent. Means we have to assume own house. Own house. Own house. own house. So own house అనగానే population of in that area we have to observe. Population 12 lakhs. Population 12 lakhs. So if 12 lakhs means in between 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. If population is in between 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs, what we have to do? Per visit value is equal to 10% of salary. 10% of salary plus furniture if there is any. In this problem there is no furniture. 10% of salary. So first we have to find salary. Salary is equal to what we have to take in salary? Basic pay we have to take 10,000 per month means 1,20,000 plus DA. DA should not be considered if DP is given or DA with retirement benefits. DA with retirement benefits is known as DP. Then only we have to consider. CCA 2,000 per month means 24,000. Entertainment on 500 per month means 6,000. Total salary 120 plus 30, 1,50,000. So per visit value is equal to 10%. Per visit value is equal to 10% of salary. Salary 1,50,000. On that 1,50,000, how much percentage? 10% is equal to how much? 15,000. Let us do one more example. One more example. Kiran is working in a limited company. Salary particulars. Basic pay 20,000 per month. DP means with retirement benefits 10,000 per month. CCA 5,000 per month. Okay. Employer provided rent-free accommodation in a city of 30 lakhs population. Also provided ₹1 lakh worth of furniture. Compute the value of perquisite. Compute the value of perquisite. Right, this is the problem. Kiran in a limited company. Salary particulars are given. Rent-free accommodation rent-free accommodation. The word rent-free accommodation and a board problem కనిపించగానే first we have to observe whether he is government employee or private employee. Limited company means he is private employee, right? Then after that part we have to see whether owner provided own house or rented house. Own house or rented house. Here there is no information about rent, so own house. Own house and next to the population. Population in that area is 30 lakhs. Means employer provided to his employee own house on rent-free as rent-free accommodation at where 30 lakhs population is there. So as just now we have discussed, if population is more than 25 lakhs, then value of per piece is equal to 15% of salary plus furniture value. So 15% of salary. What does mean salary? We are having so many things. Basic pay is there, DP is there, CCA is there, etc. So what we have to take? This time we have discussed. Salary means here when we are calculating her rent-free accommodation, salary includes basic pay, DA with retirement benefits or DP, and all other taxable allowances. Here basic pay salary is equal to basic pay 20,000 per month means 2,40,000 plus DA with retirement benefits, that is DP 1,20,000 plus CCA city compensatory allowance 60,000, 5,000 per month 60,000. Total 243, 43, 64 lakhs. Then perquisite is equal to how much? Perquisite is equal to the value of perquisite is equal to 15% of salary కదా. ఇక్కడ రాసింది perquisite is equal to 15% of salary plus furniture. 15% of salary 4 lakhs into 15%, that is 60,000 plus furniture. Furniture how much? 1 lakh worth of furniture is given. If furniture is given, on the 10% we should take. If rent of furniture is given, we have to take rent. So here the value of perquisite is 70,000. We have to post the 70,000 in main problem as rent-free accommodation under the head of rent perquisites. Okay, right. We'll do one more example here. Mahi is working in a limited company. Limited company. Salary particular. Basic pay 10,000 per month. DA 5,000 per month. $3,000 per month. Employer provided rent-free accommodation to him, who to him by paying a rent of 5,000 per month. Compute the value right. So rent free accommodation, whether he is private or government. Private. Second point, own house or rented house. Rented house. Then the value of perquisite is equal to rent paid by the employer or 15% of salary plus furniture if there is any. In this problem there is no furniture. Here salary is equal to basic pay 10,000 per month means 1,20,000. DA will not be considered, DP considered, or DA with retirement benefits will be considered. Here only DA is given, we need not to consider. Plus CCA 3,000 per month, 36,000. So total 1,56,000. The perquisite value is equal to rent paid by the employer. How much rent he is paying? 5,000 per month means 60,000, or 15% of salary 1,56,000. On that 15%, $2,23,400. Out of these three, lowest is 23,400. So the value of perquisite is 23,400. For this mahi, this amount is to be considered, taken into main problem as a rent-free accommodation under the head of perquisites. Okay, right? Thank you. మీకు ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ కావాలంటే లింక్లో మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు. లింక్ పంపిస్తాను, డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లింక్ పంపిస్తాను.